Moses Ndiritu is my name. I am Managing Director of BasiGo Kenya. BasiGo is an e-mobility company that is trying to revolutionize public transport in Kenya by electrifying the traditional matatu. The idea behind BasiGo started just during the COVID days. The first milestone one was just getting the first 2 electric buses, and then in March 2022 they were deployed to passenger operations. So it was the first time electric buses had carried passengers in Kenya. Way before even the first buses were ever imported or deployed to the country, you then start that process, trying to understand when this vehicle comes here, under what regulatory framework will it be operating? How does it work? So there is a process that you have to start engaging with government agencies and regulatory agencies. 40% of all passenger journeys in Kenya are done through matatus. Kenya sits in a very interesting position, especially from an energy point of view, where we've got quite a lot of abundant renewable energy. Over 90% of our grid is renewable. When you have 90% renewable energy and abundant energy at night, then it becomes, I would say, a match made in heaven to actually invest in this country. You are then affecting a young population that is looking at a different way of doing things, and you're looking at quite a large market that's available now and will be a growth area in the future. In BasiGo, we've got almost 150 employees. This is a company that did not exist 4 years ago. So these are 150 well-paying jobs. These are direct jobs. We probably are the largest consumers of nighttime power. If you look at statistics from EPRA, we are now beginning to see e-mobility being measured, and it's one of the fastest growing areas in energy usage. The motor vehicle industry is quite mature, and there's policies that are already there. There's already incentives for local assembly coming from KRA, going to the Ministry of Industrialization and Investment, through to Treasury. There was a lot of hand-holding. There was a lot of conversations. There was a lot of appetite to make this happen. That is what is driving new players coming into the market, finding what I would say a conducive atmosphere. The biggest win is today we have just over 100 buses on the road. Passengers love electric buses. That's why there's over 100 of them. Kenya is always the best place to try anything. The one thing that Kenya has is a population that is willing to try new technologies. Right now we have an enabling environment, abundant power. All the cogs that are required to get this industry moving are here. Kenya is the right place to be, and it's the right place to invest, and that is why we're in Kenya.